Hello everyone, I am Mahesh and you are watching Live Trading Emperor Global. In today's video, we are going to understand all the settings of the Emperor candle indicator. Before we start with the settings, let me tell you one thing. I have already uploaded a video on this channel explaining how to apply the Emperor candle indicator on TradingView. So, if you have not watched that video yet, make sure to watch that video first. And one more important thing. If you want free access to this indicator, make sure you watch this video completely. Somewhere in the middle or at the end of this video, I will tell you how you can get free access to the indicator. So let's start and understand what settings are available in the Emperor candle indicator and how they work. First, click on the indicator setting. The first option you will see zone length. I will suggest keep it as default. After that, extend right line and extend left line. This option control how far the zone lines extend to on the chart. You can extend this line up to 360. If I change it over here 360, then you will see the line will see. These lines have got extended to both sides from left also and right also. If you want, you can change it according to your preference. By default, I have set it to 180. After that, next we have time frame zones. So there are two options: show current time frame zones or use current time frame zones. Sorry, the next is the custom time frame zone, which is an advanced feature. You will understand this feature better after you fully understand the indicator. So I will explain this feature in detail in future video. But I can tell you one thing, that this is one of the most powerful feature of this indicator. We have never seen this feature in any indicator or ever. After that, zone settings. So as you can see, you can from here show first blue line zone and labels. If we uncheck this option, the first blue candle zone and its label disappear from the chart. As we uncheck this, so this and this label will disappear. And after that, this is the preferred, or I will say these zone are the strong demand zone and strong supply zone. So I will suggest keep this to always if you don't want this two more. If you don't want any extra zones like for first parrot line or for first blue zone lines. But these two are mandatory, or I will say they are the most strong powerful zones. As you can see over here, the selling came very fast after this very strong supply zone. So this represent these zones and labels and lines. After that, you can see zone fill colors. If you want, you can change the color of the zone. The color I use are clear and easy to understand, so I kept them as default. But you can change them according to your preference. After that, we will see zone label setting. So over here, as I for beginners, I have added detailed information inside the zone. Now, as you can see, we have selected the detail. So they'll sell only if black or red candle appears or inverted hammer. I have used short word only inverted. So inverted near high or low line or candle close below low line. So as you can see over here, this will helps new traders to understand what action they should take. But if you don't need this much detail, you can change it to again simple mode. In simple mode, you will only see the zone names as you will see now. See supply zone and strong supply zone. And if you don't want to see levels at all, you can turn off show zone labels from here. So zone labels. Now you will not see any label on the screen. So similar for these all options, range point labels, stop loss price label, stop loss measurement line, like this. You can make them appear and disappear as your preference. Breakout zone colors. Now, after that, you can change the breakout zone colors also from settings as your preference. After that, keep this default emperor candle coloring, or if you want to change as your preference, you can change it, but I will say, or I will suggest, keep it default. After that, you can see this top right corner. At the top right corner, we are getting trend table from 1 minute to whole day. So you can shift that table at anywhere as your preferred choice. So top left corner, top center, top right, bottom left, bottom center, or bottom right. For example, I will show you it at bottom right center, sorry, bottom right. So as you can see, but I prefer it at top right. So I placed it there. Now trend table time frames. You can also choose which time frames appear in the trend table. The indicator can show trend strength from 30 seconds up to yearly time frame. Means from 30 seconds to yearly. You can know the trend. I will apply all first. Show you for the example. Now as you can see, from 30 seconds to yearly, we are watching Bitcoin is nearly in neutral zone, means in sideways. And whenever you do trading, so it depends what kind of trader you are and in which setup you are trading. For 2 hour and 3 hour, as you can see, it is a bearish. So you know, if you are, we will talk about trading later. For this, I have shown all the settings which are available in this and what they do and how they work and what they represent. So in next video, we will learn how the different emperor candle colors works. For example, red candle, blue candle, empty candle, green candle, and lime green candle. This. And we will understand how this candle helps identify demand zone and supply zone. And now, as I said earlier before at the start of the video, if you want free access to this indicator, follow this step. First, subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel, Live Trading Emperor. After that, follow my TradingView profile. And if you are a participant in Indian market also, like Nifty, Bank Nifty, or in Indian market, especially options also, so you can follow this channel also. After that, you can follow me on TradingView. And after following, then only you can get access to the indicator. Third, boost both indicator. Like over here. Here is the rocket button. Click it and boost it for both indicators. When you boost them, I receive a notification on TradingView. Like over here. I receive notification of your boost over here. Then send me a message on Telegram or Instagram and you will receive free access to the indicator. And Telegram links are okay. Here are the Telegram channel links and group and Instagram handle. So you can message me on this, any one of this, and send me your TradingView ID. So that's all for today's video. See you in next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and happy trading.